how to fix Instagram kicking me out on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to settings, scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now type here Instagram, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and if you have an iPhone just go to settings and then general and then iPhone storage, click on Instagram and then click offload. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and see you in the next video.